We are getting many messages from aspirants related to so many doubts which are really genuine, but it is not possible for us to answer personally. That's why we are making this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. In today's class, we are going to talk about uncertainty. See, uncertainty is there in life. We all know about it. But then, now we have also come across the uncertainty in Karnataka TET. You might be knowing about this term uncertainty from physics. It comes from Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. What it actually says means, see, we cannot know everything about a particle at one particular instance of time. If we know exactly where the particle is, then we will not be able to know how much fast that particle is moving. And if we know what is the speed of that particle, then at that particular time we cannot say where it is actually located. Means we are not sure about one thing if we are sure about another. So this confusion is happening in Karnataka TET also. First of all, the TET notification did not come on time. There was a lot of delay in notification. The reason they told us was that, see, Karnataka TET is usually conducted offline only, right? This time also it is conducted offline only. But they tried to conduct that exam in online mode. That's why there was delay. Even after getting delayed also, they failed in managing to make the online exam. There was some problem with the tender and all that they told. Basically, it was a delay from their side. They tried for online, but it did not happen. That's why again they came back to offline. And because of all this, there was delay in the notification. And due to that, we have only 45 days of preparation now. Usually we have 2 months for preparation after notification. But this time we have only 45 days. 23rd October, that is yesterday, online application is started and the last date for online application is 9th November. After that, directly exam is there on December 7th. So this is one problem which has happened this time. Because of this, many aspirants are in pressure because very less time is there, and this time TET is also very important because the minister has already announced that as soon as the TET procedure is completed, they will call for the government job recruitments for primary and high school teacher. So that is also one uncertainty this time. Since many days they have been telling about these recruitments, but now when they are coming up with the recruitments, they have called for TET with very less time. Aspirants already have pressure that they should qualify TET this time. In that we have less time. Another confusion. See, till 2024 there was a different syllabus. The syllabus for TET was up till 10th standard. Suddenly in 2024 they released a syllabus which was up till PUC. Because of this also aspirants are in pressure. Now because of all this chaos, aspirants are in full confused state whether we should study for TET or we should study for teacher recruitments. See, we have only one thing to say here. If you have not qualified TET, focus on TET only. Okay, but if you have qualified TET already, then focus on your GPSTR. Okay, once TET is done, you can focus on HSTR also. Friends, we will not lose hope. Whatever the uncertainty is there, but there is always hope. We will not lose confidence. We will not get demotivated. We will study hard. We will stay focused and we will give our best. Because this exam is not just for marks. This exam, I mean the TET this time is for our dream job. We want to stand in front of our class students one day and say, yes, I faced all that confusion. I faced all that chaos. I had a tough time, but I won and I didn't give up. That is what you should tell your students in the future after getting the job. Okay. Yesterday we got this message in our Telegram group from an aspirant. Then we thought, why is this happening? Maybe that aspirant has done some mistake while applying. But later we realized that following the Supreme Court of India's decision on August 11th, 2023, they are not allowing B.Ed candidates to apply for paper 1 because they will not be eligible to apply for primary school teacher positions, that is a PSTR, which is actually corresponding to paper 1 of Karnataka TET. So this ruling is reflected in the official Karnataka TET online application. Okay, we told all this in the Telegram group also yesterday, but we thought we will include this part also because some more aspirants are there who are still waiting to apply. Till date, the updated eligibility is that TET 2025 notification, which was released on October 21, 2025. This is following the Supreme Court's verdict. They are not allowing B.Ed candidates to apply for paper 1. Okay, but who can apply paper 1? Candidates must have minimum of 50% marks in 10th standard and have passed, or they should be in final year of 2-year diploma, that is DLED, or they should have done 4-year Bachelor of Elementary Education, that is BLED. Okay. Now who will be eligible for paper 2? All B.Ed candidates are eligible for paper 2. Now this is corresponding for teaching students in class 6 to 8. That will be related to your GPSTR, Government Primary School Teacher, from class 6 to 8. So yes, there is so much of uncertainty in life and in TET also. But this uncertainty should not be a problem. It should be a part of the process. We all know that we cannot control anyone else, right? But we can control our effort. We can control our attitude. So let others panic. Let others waste time on rumors. Let others waste time on commenting negativity. But we will stay calm. We will stay strong. We will stay positive. By December 7th, we are going to make ourselves ready. We will turn this uncertainty into our strength. That's the reason why we are also working so much hard to make intensive preparation classes, as we all promised to our paid class aspirants. In fact, intensive preparation classes have started. So aspirants who have already paid for our Karnataka TET course, if you have not joined your Telegram group, please join right now, because there only we will give you updates about our daily classes, which you will get in your mail at 7 p.m. That is as per our timetable. We have made a 45-day timetable, right? We have also posted in our free YouTube channel, Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. You can go and watch that video, or you will find the link in the Telegram group also. You need to watch that video and then follow the 45 days timetable and make sure that you qualify TET this time. Friends, if this video gave you some clarity, then you can like the video, you can share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel for all the updates and stay with us till your TET exam. At least, okay? Later if you are preparing for HSTR and GPSTR, then our channel works on it dedicatedly. The rest is that even if you are a paid class aspirant or if you are not a paid class aspirant, we are here to help you. Please write in the comment section whatever doubts you have, or you can also message us in Telegram group, you can mail us, you can also write to us in WhatsApp, but avoid writing in WhatsApp because we are a little bit busy in making classes. Okay, so just remember, uncertainty can temporarily hide your path to success, but our confidence will always show us that particular path. Okay, so you should only focus on your path of success. Don't distract your mind from anything else. Okay, thank you. All the best. Bye.